Okay, hello everyone, welcome to this Peep Show. We are Wednesday, the 25th of March 2020. Sylvain Loganadin with you today for a new trading session, for a new live. The White House just revealed its plan, and they found an agreement with the US Senate, and they will definitely inject $2 trillion on the US economy. This is a great rescue plan for the for the companies, for also workers. So US workers will also benefit from it. $2 trillion. This is a massive package. This is a massive amount of cash that will be directly injected into the US economy. The stock market were up and were slightly up at the beginning of the US session, but now right after the US session opened, so 45 minutes ago, the market is already selling the news, and we are definitely seeking a new support level here on the S&P 500. So this is an S&P 500 chart, a 5-minute chart. So basically, the market has already priced this rescue package into the price courses, and now everyone is looking at what will be the next news that will be published on the market. Everyone is already trying to price the effect of the coronavirus on the US economy and also on the US companies that will publish their financial results for the first quarter of 2020 next month in April. We are also trying to assess what will be and how this package will help the economy. Central banks just and the Federal Reserve just unveiled also a rescue package of approximately the same amount. They are buying back mortgage-backed securities from banks. They are also buying the Federal Reserve is also buying corporate debt. So basically, they are buying all the papers they can find on the market to sustain and to help the economy not crash. So that's where we are today, and we definitely have great day trading opportunities. So that's quite rare. As I always say, we have less than 20% of the trading sessions in a year that are quite interesting to day trade. Day trading is something that is very rare. Okay, the trading session when you can really make money on day trading are 2 out of 10, so 20%. And today is one of those days. Today is one of those days because we have huge intraday moves that are quite easily understandable, and also you can easily follow them. So we have here a descending channel that is basically an hesitation channel. Okay, so basically the market is doesn't know if we don't know if the market will be up or down, but we do know that we have to do those two, I will say, those two barriers. Okay, we know that we have a support level here, a resistance level here. So basically we can day trade into that kind of scenario today. I chose a trading strategy that was basically not so complicated. I'll show you. One of the strategy I just used today is the Arya the Arya trading mode. So basically, I used on one of my trade this parameter. So basically, I had a fixed stop loss of 200 points. Okay, profit factor of 1, and also even 2 because my stop loss then was lower, so it was not on that precise eyesight. And I also used a trading mode, but not the combo fractal plus 1, the break-even one, and I activated it at 30%. So one of my trade today was this one. I tried to sell the market, and I did sell the market with a 200 points fixed stop loss. My entry price was quite okay, and also I did set up Arya to get a very fast break-even mode to save to really safens my position, to put it safe. And this is quite okay. We had good result today, and I think that we are definitely in a good day trading market because you can see this type of irrationality on the market. So at the US Open, it was just like all the stocks were up. There were some arbitrage or rebalancing of portfolio that has been made here. But that move, sorry, was not a construct one, was not a rational one. It was a move where the market is opening, some people has to rebalance their portfolio, etc. So they bought stocks without really thinking. It was not speculation, it was maybe rebalancing a whole portfolio strategy or whatever. And that's why I try to sell here. So basically at this price where you see my this little I'll say a red arrow, and I did get out somewhere here. Okay, so when we closed that gap, that opening gap, I just got out, and yeah, the market is slightly lower, but now it's stabilizing itself. I don't know where it's going, but we can definitely try those kind of strategies on the market right now. We have a market that is very volatile. If you also look at the commodity market and also at everything ranging from gold to to WTI. Today we have an oil market, an energy market that is quite not in phase with what is happening on the stock index, on the stocks in general. Okay, the stocks were up today this morning, but the energy market and the WTI prices were not going higher. So there was some, I would say, mispricing, or not mispricing, but some I'll say something that was not very logical and that was not very rational. Okay, we had companies such as Exxon, etc., that were up, but the oil prices were not that much up. They were even consolidating. So that's why I tried to and I chose to sold today on rebound, because those rallies are for me not validated. But that you can speculate some days you have to do nothing. But today was a good day to speculate, because there was some non-rational stuff going on the market. The market is not a place where rational people do takes rational decisions. This is in theory, but in practice this is not the case. But today we had some pretty big discrepancies between what can be made and what makes sense, and this is what we exploited today. Alright guys, so we are basically on a support level right now, so we'll see. Alright guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask your question on the We Love Arya World Facebook group. Feel also free to ask and comment this video. We always look at your comments and also at all the messages you send us. And if you want to also join us on the Arya starter pack, I invite you to click on the link into the descriptions to get the Arya starter pack. Wish you a very good day, guys, and we see each other tomorrow for the last pitch of the week. Bye bye.